So in trigonometry, till now, what we have done? We have done the range of trigonometric functions and signs of trigonometric functions, and after that, what we did? We did the trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles, and we saw trigonometric identities also. Based on those trigonometric identities, we'll solve sums today. So today we'll do sums based on trigonometric identities, and let's start. So we have a question. We have to prove that 3 sine pi by 6 sec pi by 3 minus 4 sine pi by 6 cot pi by 4 is equal to 1. So first what we will do, हम LHS को लेकर चलेंगे. LHS is equal to 3 sine pi by 6 sec pi by 3 minus 4 sine 5 pi by 6 को can we write like this, pi minus pi by 6 लिख सकते हैं ना, because 6 pi minus pi will be 5 pi, so 5 pi upon 6 is this pi minus pi by 6. Now cot pi by 4. Okay, so we have to prove this value is equal to 1. So first of all 3 into sin pi by 6 का वैल्यू क्या होता है? sin pi by 6 is sin 30. So sin 30 is 1 by 2. So we'll write 1 by 2 here. Now sec pi by 3. Sec pi by 3 is sec 60 degree. So sec 60 degree will be the inverse of cos. Okay, तो cos 60 degree 1 upon cos 60 degree का वैल्यू हम लिख सकते हैं. तो 1 upon cos 60 degree, and cos 60 degree क्या होता है? cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. So 1 upon 2. Okay, so minus 4 into sin का वैल्यू, sin pi by pi minus pi by 6. तो pi sin pi will be also what? क्या होगा वैल्यू? 0 होगा. Okay, but in first sin pi minus pi by 6, pi is pi by 2 से लेकर pi तक, that will be in second quadrant. Okay, so sin pi minus pi by 6 will be in second quadrant, and the value will be same as sin pi by 6, मतलब sin 30 के equal होगा value. So that will be, and negative नहीं होगा, positive ही होगा, because in second quadrant also sin is positive. Yes, so it will be 1 by 2. And now cot pi by 4. Cot is 1 by tan. Okay, inverse of tan. तो tan का inverse है, that is cot. 1 upon tan is cot. तो 1 upon tan का value will write here. Tan pi by 4 मतलब tan 45 degree, that is 1. उसका value 1 होता है, 1 by 1. Okay, now 3 into 2. Okay, now this is 1 by 2. So it will be it will be 2. Okay, and minus 4 by 4 and 1 by 2, it will be 2. Cancel करेंगे तो. Okay, so 2 into this is 1. Okay, now this is 1 by 2, this is 2. Cancel कर सकते हैं, it will be 3 minus 2 into 1 is 2, so it will be 1 is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay. Now another type of question. If sine 15 degree, that is not, we don't know the value of 15 degree, like we know 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90, right? So we don't have the value of 15 degree. How can we find out the value? So if we have to find out the value of sine 15 degree, what we can do? We can find out sine 15 degree is equal to, we can write like this, sine 45 minus sine 30, that will be 15 degree. Okay, and now we'll apply the formula of sine A minus B. So what is the value of sine A minus B? In our last video we have seen the formula sine x minus y. What is the value of that? Sine x cos y minus cos x sine y. So यहाँ पे x की जगह we have to put 45 degree and y की जगह we have to put 30 degree. So by putting the value of this 45 and 30 in the formula, it will be sine 45 degree cos 30 degree minus cos 45 degree and sine 30 degree. Okay, so it will be sine 45 degree का value क्या होता है? 1 upon root 2. एंड साइन cos 30 डिग्री का वैल्यू क्या होता है? cos 30 डिग्री इज √3/2 माइनस cos 45 डिग्री इज cos 45 is 1/√2 and sin 30 is 1/2. So it will be √3. Okay, so it will be √3/2√2 minus 1/2√2. So it will be √3 minus 1 divided by 2√2. Okay, so this will be the value of sin 15 degree. Okay, so our next sum, this is our next sum. Find the value of tan 13 pi by 12. Okay, so what will the value of tan 13 pi by 12? We can write like this. tan 13 pi को हम लिख सकते हैं ना, pi plus pi by 12. Okay, so 12 pi plus 1 13 pi हो जाएगा. Okay, now tan pi plus pi by 12 मतलब that will be, this angle is pi. Okay, so pi plus pi by 12 means that will lie somewhere. Okay, here. Okay, that is in third quadrant. ठीक है, in third quadrant that will lie, and as we all know that in first and third quadrant tan जो है positive होता है. Okay, so the value of tan pi plus pi by 12 will be equal to tan pi by 12. Okay, and pi by 6 का value क्या होता है? That is 30 degree. So pi by 12 will be 15 degree. Okay, so we can write like this. Tan 15 degree का value तो we don't know. So how we can do? 45 minus 30 is 15. Okay, so tan pi by 12 can be written as 45. That is pi by 4 minus 30 degree. So pi by 6. Because 45 minus 30, 45 is pi by 4 and 30 is pi by 6. So we can write like this. Now we know the formula. जो tan का formula होता है. Okay, tan x minus y का formula क्या होता है? That is equal to tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x tan y. Okay, so we have to apply this formula here. We'll put the value of this values of angles in the formula. So it will be tan x मतलब कि pi by 4 minus tan pi by 6 divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 multiplied by tan pi by 6. Okay, so the value of tan pi by 4 is 1. Okay, and minus tan pi by 6 30 degree क्या होता है? 1/√3. Okay, now 1 plus tan 45 degree मतलब 1 multiplied by tan 1 pi by 6, that is 30 degree, 1/√3. Okay, so it will be 1 minus 1/√3 divided by 1 plus 1/√3. So this value will be √3 minus 1 divided by √3 and divided by √3 plus 1 divided by √3. √3 cancel, so it will be √3 minus 1 divided by √3 plus 1. Okay, so अगर रूट हटाना है, स्क्वायर रूट अगर हटाना है, so what we can do, we can multiply this by another number, that is √3 minus 1 divided by √3 minus 1. So when we'll multiply this na, so a minus b, a plus b multiplied by a minus b, it will be a square minus b square. So it will be 3 minus 1. Okay, so √3 minus 1 whole square divided by 3 minus 1. So it will be 2. Okay, so for this one, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so divided by 3 minus 1, that is 2. So it will be 4 minus we'll take 2 common. 2 common लिया तो 2 minus √3 divided by 2 cancel. So answer will be 2 minus √3. Okay, so this will be the value. 2 minus √3 will be the value for tan 13 pi by 12. Okay, now we have another question, and this one we have to prove that sin x plus y divided by sin x minus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by tan x minus tan y. So what we'll do, हम LHS लेकर चलेंगे. You can do anything. RHS भी लेकर हम चल सकते हैं and we'll get LHS, या फिर LHS भी हम लेकर चलेंगे and we'll get RHS. Okay, so it will be proved. Okay. Now what we have to take, LHS we are taking ना, तो sin x plus y divided by sin x minus y. Okay, तो sin x plus y का वैल्यू क्या होता है? sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay, and sin x minus y का वैल्यू sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Okay, what we'll do, जो न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर है बोथ, what we'll do, हम डिवाइड करेंगे cos x and cos y बिकॉज हमें tan के टर्म में चाहिए. So हमेशा sin upon cos will be tan, cos upon sin cannot be tan. So always we have to find out, when we have to find out tan के टर्म में हमेशा हम cos को डिवाइड करेंगे. So what we'll do, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को we'll divide by sin. अगर cos x से हम डिवाइड करेंगे एंड cos y से, तो यहाँ पे तो cos x आएगा, इट विल बी tan x एंड ये cos y रिमूव हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट विल डू नेक्स्ट, सी sin x cos y प्लस cos x sin y को विल डिवाइड बाय cos x cos y. ओके, न्यूमरेटर को हमने डिवाइड किया, द सेम थिंग विल अप्लाई हियर. यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर के लिए भी विल डिवाइड डिनोमिनेटर बाय cos x and cos y. Okay, so denominator we have written and we'll divide this by cos x cos y. Now it will be, कैसे होगा ये, sin x divided by, okay, sin x, okay, we'll write here sin x by sin x cos y divided by cos x cos y. Okay, plus cos x sin y divided by cos x cos y. Okay, सबको हम कैसे डिवाइड करेंगे, एंड sin x cos y divided by cos x cos y minus cos x sin y divided by cos x cos y. अब what we'll do, this sin x by cos x will become tan x. Okay, now this cos y by cos y cancel. Now again cos x divided by cos x cancel and sin y by cos y will become, यहाँ पे प्लस साइन है, so it will become tan y. Now divided by this one, sin x by cos x tan x होगा and cos y by cos y cancel, यहाँ पे माइनस साइन and then cos x by cos x cancel, sin y by cos y will be tan y. Okay, so tan x tan plus tan y, tan x minus tan y is equal to RHS. Hence proved. I hope you understood the concept. I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.